guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a little bit of a morning workout for you guys. Maybe you guys can find some moves in there that you want to try at home. So this is kind of just one of my morning routines. I like to switch it up a lot and just either do some kind of cardio, whether it be going for a walk, run, skipping, and then just doing some light reps of whatever. So I have a little video of that for you guys today if you want to see that. Also some of my morning skincare, as well as this peachy pinky summer spring look that I achieved using mainly e.l.f. products, as aside from the foundation and concealer, mascara. It's pretty much all e.l.f. So if you guys would like to see my morning workout, morning skincare, and this e.l.f. peachy summer spring look, then just keep watching. Did my eyebrows just for the sake of getting them done, so I'm just going to start off with some of the products that I use in the morning. So the first thing that I do is I go in with my Biophora bioactive solution. So this is a toner, but it also has 3% glycolic acid in it, so it feels like, for me, this is what I feel like it is, like a little mini chemical peel every morning and night. And for whatever reason, this has become like a favorite part of my skincare routine because I just feel that little bit of tingling happening and I'm like, okay, something's going down. Some kind of skin renewal, skin exfoliating, skin toning process is going on right now. And sorry, you will hear banging because my kids and my husband are outside cleaning our yard. So yeah, and it just picks up all the like extra dirt and debris on your face. So I really love doing this first thing in the morning and then right after I wash my face at night. I love using this. So I've mentioned this product several times before, but I absolutely love the Vivier C E Peptide serum. I use this morning and night, and I feel like I have this like little bunny line wrinkle, and I swear it's diminished. Like, it's diminished so much since I've been using this, and I love the smell of this. I love how it makes my skin feel, and yeah, this I absolutely love. So I've mentioned it a few times, but it's part of my morning skincare, so I wanted to add it in. And lastly, before my makeup, I go in with the Vivier sunscreen lotion with an SPF of 30. I like to keep my morning skin pretty light wear, and then at night is when I like to add like the hyaluronic acid and heavier creams, eye creams, because I feel like at night that is when your skin is doing most of its repairing, and that is when I want all that good stuff on it. So just for the day, I just like to keep it light and make sure I have sunscreen on under my makeup. So yeah, with the banging, I don't know if I'll have a video out before, probably not, but we changed our back window to a patio door yesterday. So there's been lots of work going on here, and yeah, we're hoping to do a deck. I'm hoping to kind of document it all and probably have it in a vlog. I'm finding it harder to vlog these days, and I just kind of stick more to makeup and fashion just because I can come up to my room and get away from the chaos down there. And just with the homeschooling starting too, I find it hard. That takes a lot of time. And then if we want to go outside and just be doing things, there's not too much to just vlog about. And I love doing cleaning videos, but I'm also having a hard time with that too, just because of the way the homeschooling schedule is set up. That being said, I've had a lot of fun just playing with makeup a lot more and just being up here and just having my own space and trying out new things, creating new things. So it all works out for the better. So now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I've only used this a couple times. So this is a demi matte finish. I think it's pretty dark, but we'll work with what we got. So we're finally getting, hopefully, I feel like I'm always saying this, we're finally getting warm weather. We'll get a couple days and then it's gone. So Mother's Day was like snowing and cold, and we didn't really do anything, but that's okay because there isn't really anything to do. So at least I didn't feel like we were missing out on something by it being like cold out. We just kind of chilled for the day, and I knew that I was getting a door put in, so that was my Mother's Day present. But it feels like it's warming up. I hope so. We've been doing different things that I've tried during this quarantine. I tried rollerblading again, which was interesting. I haven't rollerbladed since I was a little kid, and actually kind of got the handle of it. Like, I'm not good, but I can skate around flat surface, let's say. I wouldn't try going on trails up and down hills, but over the past couple times I've gotten a little better, so I could definitely see myself maybe next year when the boys go back to school, if there's school. During the day, just kind of go for a rollerblade as a form of exercise or activity. Alright, I don't have any e.l.f. concealers. I should probably pick one of those up at the drugstore next time I have to go for an essentials run, just to try out. Maybe even they have contour palettes too. Maybe even pick up some more face stuff from e.l.f. I have like the shadows and the bronzers and highlighter, blush, that kind of stuff, but I don't have any of their foundation or concealers or anything, so I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. I haven't used this one in a while, but it is one of my darker concealers and more natural looking ones, so I just want to use something a little bit more natural today, just to go with like a peachy glowy look. And I'm not going to do any contouring. I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. bronzer and just kind of bronze it up a bit. So I'm just going to go in with my fingers first and blend that out. And with homeschooling, today was a little bit of a tougher day, but I feel like you have those. You have some days where it's all going smoothly and you're like, I could do this. This is easy. I got this. And then other days where you're like, what is going on? And today was kind of one of those days, not too bad, but it's just a lot. You wouldn't think it, and it sounds like silly to complain about. I don't want to complain. My kids are home and they're safe and they're learning, but it's definitely something that causes a little bit added stress here and there sometimes. But it's all good. So I'm just going to pat that in a little bit with the damp sponge just to give it more of a softened, natural look as well. Alright, so since naturally I find that I have a warmer crease line, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. palette that I have. I've used this a couple times, and I'm going to go in with this cooler taupe shade as kind of like my all over transition color, my all over lid color, and just kind of try to cool it down a bit and just add in a little bit of contour to this larger part of my eye, just to kind of soften that and have it not come so far forward. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. and it's the Apricot Glow Baked Highlighter, and I'm just going to go right on my lid with that as my shimmery kind of shade. And this is kind of just a softer kind of highlighter too, just being baked. It's not really iridescent or glittery. It's just got a little bit of kind of shine to it. Now I'm going to take that same color I used all over my eyelid, and I am going to use an angled brush and just go under my eye a little bit as well. And I'll just drag it up a little bit just to give a little soft wing effect. So for my bronzer, I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. St.Lucia Blush and Bronzer Duo and my e.l.f. stippling brush, small stippling brush, and I'm just going to go in and just do soft kind of contour with the bronzer. Blend that through. This one is kind of more of a matte bronzer, so we will add in our glow with the blush and the highlighter after. A little bit under my neck. I always love to get bronzer or contour right in under my ear. That's where I like to bronze the most. I do self-tan, so I don't need to add too much in, but if I'm going to add in some more depth, it's going to be right along either side of my neck. Now for my blush, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f.'s Glistening Peach kind of stick blush. So you can use this on your eyes. You can use it on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. So I'm going to go in and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. And this is such a pretty, like, peachy, pinky blush with, like, you can see the glitter in it. It's so pretty. I love it. And this blends into the skin so nicely and just gives you that, like, peachy pinky glow. It's hard to see, but I love it. There's almost like a baby pink to it mixed in with the peach. And then I'm also going to just go over my lips with it first off, and then I'm going to add in my lip liner and lip gloss after. But you could totally just wear this. Like, it looks more baby pink in person. It's actually super pretty and looks so nice together using it as a blush and on your lips as well. Alright, so I tight lined with my e.l.f. eyeliner and just put on some mascara, and then I just used a little bit of my Annabelle taupe eyebrow pencil as my lip liner, and I think I'm just going to stick with the glistening peach for my lips today. Like, the combo of it is so pretty. I was gonna go over with the e.l.f. lipstick in the color Natural. I use this all the time too. This is like my go-to lipstick for everyday looks, and most days that's what I wear with a little bit of lip gloss, but I think I'm just gonna stick with this today. I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. jelly highlighter. So I haven't used this before. Tried it a little bit once, but I haven't used it on my channel. So it's like a cool, like, jelly consistency, and I find that once you put this on, it stays put. Like, it's not a powder that's gonna slip off your face. Like, once you put this on, that's where it's gonna be for the day. So I'm just gonna put it on the tops of my cheekbones. I'm not gonna try to blend it through because it dries like instantly once you touch it down to your skin. So I think it worked out perfectly that I just didn't put any powders, like setting powders, on my face today as well. So this can just kind of melt in with the concealer and also the glistening peach blush stick. But yeah, like, look at it. It's so pretty. If you want that golden, like, golden gold look, this is super nice. I'm not gonna put it down my nose. And it doesn't, it sticks to the skin. So this would be perfect for, like, hot summer days and beaches and sweaty nights that you're dancing at a nightclub or something. I don't know. Haven't done that in years, but anyways, so this is the finished look. I love it. It's such a pretty pinky peachy go-to spring summer look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will give you guys a quick little sneak peek at the disaster zone downstairs. So this was full of junk yesterday, but it has been totally cleaned up, and I think we're going to do, yeah, while I was up there, my husband totally cleaned all of this because there was debris everywhere, in and out. So I think we're gonna work on the inside afterwards. Like, the mudding can kind of get done whenever, so kind of want to get to work on the deck and get that done for summertime.